Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. If this is your first time watching our videos, please click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can get more videos from us. So today's video is sponsored to you by Pureauty Natural, and they were the one that sent me this product. I'm testing out biotin supplement. Now this biotin hair serum, so this is what the hair serum looks like. And it is from Pureauty Natural, and I also got a second one because for the month of May I'm going to be testing out this product to see how it works, to see if it works, and to give you the real feedback. Now the good thing about this company is that they are sponsoring this video, so thank you so much. It's always nice to work with and yet another brand, and I've actually used their products before. I've used their skin tag product, and I've also used their skin scar remover, like diminisher. It's like a skin scar ointment. So when I had a scar, I put it on it and it works really good. A lot of their products are all natural, and they stand behind their products on the effectiveness of their product, on how it works, and they always give you that information, like if it doesn't work, let us know. And they always have coupons, they always have discount, and that is why I chose to work with them, and I've used their products before since last year. So yeah, okay, so I've heard people rave about these products. People like Pure Estrogen. You can check out our results. She had amazing results. So when I got contacted by this company, I was like, yes, my girl Pure Estrogen, she has used it, it has worked, why not, eh? So let me tell you a little bit more about this hair product. This is their Biotin hair serum, and according to the company, and I'm reading it from their website, let's put on the goggles, right? Okay, let's put on the glasses. So according to this company, their product is, this is actually a combination of biotin, D-panthenol, which is pro-vitamin B5, Piscium sativum, pea sprout extract, and other active ingredients and nutrients. It provides a follicle boosting effect that can assist in retaining, see, hair retention and growth of natural, healthy looking hair. So this is actually an advanced formula, and it said that it will help you thicken, strong, it gives you thicker and stronger and more healthy looking hair, and it will also give you the density and the luxury you have. So how am I going to be using this? You can use this daily. You can put in your hair and you take a small amount, massage it into your hair. Now I have some problem areas. A key problem area that I have, and this is probably from genetics, I have this area right here that is a bit sparse. So I'm going to show you the before picture of it. So this is my before. I start using this treatment, okay? So that 1 month from now, we're going to look at it again so you can see how sparse it is. And then I'm also going to apply it to this side of my hair also. So that is this side of my hair. Next, I'm going to also use this as a length check. And this is the shirt that I'm wearing right now, and right now if I pull my hair, it's right on this part of the sign. So I'm just standing up straight. You can see this is where my hair ends, right there, okay? And then this other side of my hair, I'm just pulling this other side. That one also stops on the same area. So this is my two area that I'm going to use as my test subjects. My front hair, I can't pull it, so that's why I'm using my edges. Areas where people say they struggle with when it comes to hair growth is always along their edges. So today is May the 3rd, and you can see I'm going to open it and we'll come back again. This is my first time opening it, so right on camera. And I did a live chat where I showed you me unboxing this product. So let's open it because I want to show if it works, if it doesn't work, because that's what I want. Now the ingredients, I'm going to put the ingredients in the description area, and this is what, it's a thick formula, so you can see. Just pump it out. So let's Okay, I'm working the pump, because when you buy stuff like this you have to work the pump. So this is it. So you can see it's just a liquid serum. So I'm just taking a little bit of it and putting it along my edges, and you're supposed to kind of massage it in. So I'm massaging this into my edges right there. I'm gonna take some more. Okay, so according to their direction, I'm reading it from their website. It says easy to incorporate into your daily hair care. Okay, so they say it's easy to use. For best application, apply to slightly damp hair after washing or rinsing. So my hair has not yet been washed. I'm going to go wash my hair and then I'm going to apply it to my hair. And but for now, I just want to apply this for now. I'm going to wash my hair later on and apply it and come back and show you how we do it. Okay, so let's go wash this hair and I'll come back and do my first real application. Okay, so this is my hair before I go into the shower. Go and wash my hair. I'm not going to shower. So this is what my hair looks like right now. So yeah, and you know, I measured it already, and I'm gonna go wash it and we'll apply the serum to my scalp. Okay, I'm done washing my hair. So this is my hair right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take the serum, as I showed you. I'm gonna take just like 3 drops of it. I'm gonna put it along my edges. Okay, and just really massage it in there. So you really want to massage. They say you can use it daily, but I think I'm just gonna stick with using it. Let me see, maybe I can use it just 3 times a day. Yeah, direction, 2 to 3 drops of the serum directly. Gently work it in. Okay, so I'm just working it in. For additional conditioning, distribute fingertips on from the length of the hair, so I could even add it to my hair. And let me read what else they're saying. So we're learning this together, people. We're learning things together. So it says dispense 2 to 3 drops of the serum directly onto the scalp or onto the palm of your hair. Using fingertip, work it into the scalp and massage in circular motion. For additional conditioning, distribute with fingertips on dry hair. Wrapping longer hair into a bone to soak. Allow the serum to fully absorb the serum. Do not dry. For best result, leave it overnight. So I saw on their website where you could apply it on damp hair. So you could also apply it overnight, like an overnight treatment. So yeah, so let me just I'm gonna do, because that one I was concentrating it on my. So you just need 2 to 3 drops. So this is 2 to 3 drops, and I'm just making sure I apply it on my fingertip and massaging it onto my scalp. And you want to massage in a circular motion, so I'm just going in a circular motion, being very gentle along my edges and stuff. So this to me will be like an additional help, so you can also put it to your hair and stuff, but I'm mainly concentrating on my scalp. So this is how I'll be using it, and I'm not gonna always wash my hair. So during the week, I'll just spray my hair with water and I'll show you, and I'll just apply it onto my hair again. I'm gonna show you how I do that in upcoming videos. So keep watching and we'll see how this works, if it works. But right now I'm feeling a tingling sensation, a warm sensation. So, and it feels really good. And yeah, so this is the conclusion of this video. If you guys want to check it out, look in the description area down below, and also look on the pinned comment, and you can get this product. We can see if it works together. Oh yeah, it has a like a minty sensation. Oh my goodness. So yeah, so thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. And don't forget, come back, subscribe, because we'll see the results shortly. Thanks for watching. Whew. Bye. Whew. This feels good.